Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So without wasting any more time, without any time pass, we are going straight to the point. So if you want ki your mouse is work like a keyboard, so please watch the full video, do not skip it. Okay. Okay, the first of all you have to open your window screen. Search on screen keyboard. This is the 100% working trick, guys. Search on screen keyboard. Okay, this one. This is your on screen keyboard. You can use with this mouse. Okay. Okay, I am writing with this keyboard with mouse, using the mouse. This is very useful trick. If your keyboard is not proper working, then this is a very useful trick. Okay, if you like the video guys, please like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So this is it for today. Bye guys.